In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble an 8 Series 8-foot side. In this series, we've been building a green powder-coated frame. Today, we're using plain aluminium. In the box, you'll have all the parts you'll need for your side and your roof. The first step is to identify the parts and separate them into 2 piles. Everything will come labelled in the box. For your side section, you will need braces, side glazing bars, 2 gutters and 2 sills. Just a side note, when separating your side glazing bars from your roof bars, there is a subtle but crucial difference. The side glazing bar has more of a mushroom head and the roof bar has an arrow head. Grab your instruction booklet out and lay your parts out as per this diagram. It's easier to assemble your midsection face down, so you'll notice that your sills, glazing rubber and gutters will be facing the ground. You'll notice that your glazing bars have an end with a shortened bit of rubber. Make sure that this end sits up the top with the gutter. Start with preloading a bolt at each end of your glazing bars. Let's attach our glazing bar and brace to our gutter. Line your preloaded bolt up with this hole on your gutter. Make sure the bar sits hard up in under the gutter. Pop your brace on top and secure with the nut. Attach the other end of your glazing bar and brace to the base. Using your preloaded bolt, slide it into the base and make sure your glazing bar is sitting hard up on the sill. Secure with the nut. Your brace then sits on top of your base. Slide a bolt from behind and secure with the nut. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Your middle glazing bar goes in the centre hole. Either side of that are 2 pre-drilled holes for extra bracing if you're in a high wind area. Grab your 10mm spanner and whip round, nip up your bolts so they don't slide out of place when you lift the frame. You can loosen these off later at the glazing stage if you need to. Follow the same steps to assemble your second mid-wall, then they're both complete. Follow along in the next video where we'll put the framework together and install the roof.